it's driving sales or realizing cost savings, the Inxeption platform provides a digital solution for the global industrial commerce value chain to help businesses of any size do business better. I am joined now by Farzard Dibachi. He is the CEO of Inxeption. Farzad, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. So let's talk about what Inxeption is and exactly what it does.
So the way we describe ourselves is that we are an industrial commerce company. And the two words industrial commerce, whatever that evokes in your mind, is exactly what it is. It's really the same notion as a B2C, what you do on Amazon, but on an industrial scale.
Now, what should people think about Inxeption? Is it a SaaS company?
Well, it's a software-based company, and the software itself sits on the cloud. So in that context, it's a SaaS company. But we don't really sell the software. We provide the service. So we say that instead of being software as a service, we're really service as a software.
And who exactly benefits from Inxeption?
Well, what happens in the background, large industrial companies doing transactions, is that all of those transactions take a long time and they're untrustworthy. So by bringing trust to those systems, we're actually essentially creating much more speed for creation of products. And we're making it also a lot easier for smaller companies to have access to larger possibilities from a service standpoint. The easiest thing to do is to listen to your customers.
Yes.
And in our case, because we don't sell software, but we provide services, the only way we actually make money is when our customers use our services. So that communication line is actually very high bandwidth, always available. So we spend a lot of energy talking to our customers and making sure we know what their problems are, and then in turn try to solve them. Software, as we've known it, has changed our lives over the last 25 years for the better in many, many respects. But on the industrial side, on the big ticket items, on making cranes and the big industrial equipment and all those things that happens, that digitization hasn't happened yet. So the more people focus on making that digitization happen, the better our lives will become. So we at Inxeption have decided to solve a very, very large problem. And I've been told by several investors that we're trying to boil the ocean, which is a valid analogy. But if you were to boil the ocean, you would have all kinds of very great chemicals come out of it. So we are hoping to be able to boil the ocean.
Well, to boiling the ocean. Well, thank you, Farzad, for being here today, and we welcome you back anytime.
Thank you for having me.